Saving money on monthly expenses doesn't have to be a struggle. It's all about making small changes that add up to big results. At our channel MtecHD, we're here to help you uncover actionable tips to trim your expenses, boost your savings, and achieve financial freedom. Here's a quick question to get started. What's your biggest monthly expense? Let us know in the comments, and we'll share tailored tips to help you save. The first step in saving money is understanding where your money goes. Start by creating a detailed budget. Track all your expenses for a month, from rent and utilities to coffee runs and streaming services. Once you've mapped out your spending, categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and unnecessary splurges. Are there any subscriptions you forgot you're paying for? Many of us have those. Cutting unused subscriptions is one of the easiest ways to save. Now, let's tackle housing expenses. Housing often takes up the largest portion of our income. If you rent, consider negotiating with your landlord when your lease is up or downsizing to a smaller, more affordable space. For homeowners, refinancing your mortgage for a lower interest rate could save you thousands over the loan term. Utility bills also fall under housing, and small changes can lead to big savings. Try turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging unused electronics, and using energy-efficient appliances. Have you tried any energy-saving tips that work well for you? Groceries are another area where costs can quickly spiral. Plan your meals in advance, create a shopping list, and stick to it. Avoid shopping when you're hungry. Those impulse buys can add up fast. Buying in bulk for non-perishable items, choosing store brands, and taking advantage of sales or coupons are great ways to save. Also, consider starting a small herb or vegetable garden at home. Not only does this save money, but it's also rewarding and eco-friendly. What's your go-to tip for saving on groceries? Transportation is another big-ticket item. If you own a car, focus on regular maintenance to avoid costly repairs down the line. Drive efficiently to save fuel, and consider carpooling or public transport to cut down on commuting costs. If you're in a city, walking or cycling can save you money and improve your health. For those who rarely use their cars, selling the vehicle and relying on ride-sharing apps might make financial sense. What's your most significant transportation expense, and have you thought of alternatives? Entertainment is a sneaky expense category. From dining out to streaming services and gym memberships, these costs can pile up. Opt for free or low-cost alternatives, like hosting a movie night at home, exploring local parks, or trying free workout apps. If you enjoy dining out, limit it to special occasions or look for discounts and happy hours. Insurance is a necessity, but it doesn't mean you can't save on it. Shop around for better rates or bundle policies like home and auto insurance to get discounts. Increasing deductibles can also lower your premiums, though it's essential to have an emergency fund in place. Debt payments can take a big chunk of your monthly budget. If you have high-interest debt, consider refinancing or consolidating loans to get a lower rate. Prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest first, while making minimum payments on others. Once a debt is cleared, roll that payment amount into the next debt. This method, known as the debt snowball or avalanche, accelerates repayment and saves you money on interest. What's your strategy for managing debt? Let's not forget about lifestyle habits. Cutting back on expensive coffee runs, reducing impulse shopping, and adopting a minimalist approach can significantly lower expenses. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or can I find this cheaper elsewhere? Over time, these small adjustments become second nature and lead to substantial savings. Another way to save is by increasing your income. While this isn't directly cutting expenses, it gives you more financial flexibility. Consider taking on a side hustle, freelancing, or selling used items online. Use this extra income to pay off debts, build an emergency fund, or invest in your future. Lastly, don't forget to reward yourself occasionally. Saving money doesn't mean depriving yourself of joy. Treat yourself to a small indulgence now and then to stay motivated. The key is to strike a balance between enjoying the present and planning for the future. At our channel MtecHD, we believe financial health is a journey, and every step you take counts. By implementing these tips and tracking your progress, you'll be well on your way to reducing monthly expenses and achieving your financial goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your own money-saving tips in the comments. Let's make financial freedom a reality together.